take a lesson. It is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. As we told you before, reading means you have to read something, and comprehension you have to understand it. So you are going to read with your eyes and understand with your mind, okay? With your brain, you have to understand. Because you have some questions to make me know. If you understand, you are going to answer all of the questions correctly, okay? Let's start reading something about a bird, okay? First, do you like birds or no? Okay, for the ones who like it or who do not like it, let's read about this and tell me at the end whether you like it or not. Let's read. The bird. Again, the bird. Bird, this is the title. It means I'm going to tell you a story of the bird. This is the title. The title makes you know what is the story about, okay? The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. What is the meaning of the bird is in the tree? Here is a bird. And here is the tree. Okay? So we say that the bird is in the tree. Full stop, so I wait a little bit. The bird is in the yard. Again, yard. Yard is like a small garden. Okay? So the bird is in this yard. It's in this garden. So everything is in the yard. The tree and the bird together. Stop, so I wait. The bird comes. The bird comes. Comes means it's coming near, coming to me. Comes to my window. The bird comes to my window. So the bird is near now. The bird comes to my window. I open. I open my window. So when the bird comes to my window, I open the window. The bird goes. The bird goes. The bird goes. It means it goes far away. Flies or walks, whatever. But it means it's going far away. The bird goes to the tree. Stop. I put some bread. I put some bread. Ow. Oh, when you come together, make sounds out. Out. Outside. My window. So when the bird goes to the tree because I opened the window, it means it's afraid. What will happen? I put some bread. Bread is the thing that you eat, like a sandwich. I put some bread outside my window. This means I want the bird to come again. Okay? It came. When I open the window, it goes away. So I put some bread on the window so the bird can come again. I tell the bird. Look. It's yummy. It's yummy. Means yummy, 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 delicious. I want to eat it. It's yummy bread. So I'm telling the bird that this bread is very nice and it's yummy. Come and eat it. So what will happen after I say this? The bird comes again. The bird comes again. Okay? So now we read the story one time. Now we're going to read the questions one time without answering. Without answering. Are you ready? Let's start reading the questions. Okay, now let's read the questions for the first time. We are not going to answer anything, just read to understand the questions, because when we go back to the text, we are going to read carefully for the second time and we will know the place of the sentence. We are going to find the answers. Okay? Let's read. The first question. Put, tick or put right. This means that the answer or the sentence you read is correct. Or cross or wrong. This means that the sentence you are reading is not correct. Okay? Number one. The tree is in the yard. You will put your right or wrong between the two brackets here. Number two. The bread is in the tree. Number three. The bird is in the tree. And the last one, the tree goes to the bird. Okay? Next question. It says complete. Complete means you are going to fill in these missing words with words from the text, from the story itself. Number one. The bird is in the dash. Okay? The bird is in the... When we go back to the story and we read the sentence that's mentioning the place of the bird, or that's telling me the place of the bird, it will make it easy for me when I read it for the second time. Next, number two. The bird comes to my dash. Okay. So when I go back to the text and I read it for the second time, I will know the bird comes to my pot. Number three. The bird goes to the dash. Number four. I put some dash outside my window. The last question, and this question is the question I asked you at the beginning of the lesson. Do you like birds? Okay, some of you yes and some of you no. If some of you like birds, you're going to say yes because, this is the question. If you are going to say yes, you will say because so and so. Okay. So do you like birds? Yes. Why? Because so and so. If no, if you're going to say no, I don't like birds, you will say why not? No, because so and so. Okay? Let's go back to the text and read it for the second time. Quickly, and you will know the place of the sentences, so when you answer, you will be able to go back to the text easily. The bird. The bird is in the tree. As I told you, the bird is in the tree. The bird is in the yard. The bird is also in the yard. The bird comes to my window. I open my window. answer it together. It's very easy and it's very nice. Okay? It's like a riddle. You just find the same sentence. If it's correct, if it's the same sentence like the text, you will put tick. If it's not correct, if it's not like the text, you will put cross. Okay? And of course, as I told you, you have to understand. You have to understand. Okay. Number 1. The tree is in the yard. Let's go back. It says the bird is in the tree. The bird is in the yard. So is the tree in the yard? Let's check. As I told you, the bird is in the tree and the bird is in the yard. So is the tree in the yard? If you were reading and understanding, you will say, yes, the tree is in the yard because the bird is in the tree and the bird is in the yard. So everything is in the yard together. You will put a tick. Number 2. The bread is in the tree. Let's go and check. We are going to read sentence by sentence and check which sentence will help me to know the answer of the bread is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. No, I want to know where is the bread. The bird is in the yard. Is this sentence going to help me? No. The bird comes to my window. I didn't find the word bread to know where is the bread. I open my window. Still, I don't know. The bird goes to the tree. This sentence also doesn't help me. I put some bread. I want to know where is the bread now. I put some bread outside my window. So the bread is outside the window. Is the bread in the tree or outside the window? Yes, it's outside the window. So is it in the tree? No. So you're going to put a cross. Easy? Number 3. The bird is in the tree. Let's go back and check. Is the bird is in the tree? Yes, it's the same sentence. The bird is in the tree. So I don't need to go back to the whole text. Just put your tick because you found your answer in the first sentence. Next. The tree, goes to the bird. Can the tree walk and go to the bird? Of course not. Of course not. But to make sure, we can go to the text and make sure where did the tree go or where did the bird go. Let's check. The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the yard. The bird comes to my window. I open my window. The bird goes to the tree. Here the sentence tells me that the tree goes to the bird. So this is not like that one. They are not the same. Okay? So my answer is going to be wrong. And if you understand and comprehend, the tree cannot walk and go to the bird. Okay? Next question. Complete. Number 1. The bird is in the dash. Go back to the text. And this time, if you find your answer, the missing word that's here, you're just going to put a small little dash under the word to copy it correctly. Okay? Don't want you to do any mistakes because you are excellent. Now, the bird is in the dash. Let's see. The bird is in the tree. This is the place I should write this word. Okay? The bird. Bird is in the dash, in the tree. So I'm going to put a small dash under the word tree and I copy tree on the dash. Can I copy it on any dash? No, I have to make sure I'm writing my answer on the same question or on the same line of the same question I'm reading, okay? The bird is in the tree. I copy the letters carefully. And I put my full stop at the end of my sentence. Number 2. The bird comes to my dash. Let's go quickly to the text and make sure, or I find the same sentence. The bird is in the tree. No. I want the bird comes. The bird is in the yard. No. I delete. The bird comes. So I think it's this one. The bird comes to my window. The bird comes to my dash. So what word do you think I'm going to fit in with this in this sentence? The bird comes to my dash, to my window. Quickly, I put my dash before I lose the word, okay? And copy it on the correct dash. In the full stop, window. The bird comes to my window. The bird comes to my window. It's the same. Number 3. The bird goes to the dash. The bird goes to the dash. This is where I said the word dash. What is this? To the tree. So what am I going to fill the dash with? With the word tree. Copy it carefully. Next, number 4. I put some dash outside my window. Let's go on reading. I put some bread outside my window. It's the same sentence but with a word missing. So let's see which word was missing. I put some dash outside my window. Which word was missing? This one, bread. I put some bread. So I'm going to copy it carefully without any mistake. Let's read it. I put some bread outside my window. It makes sense. Okay? Easy? Now, the last question. This one is for you. If you like birds, you will say, yes, I do. Or if you don't like, you will say, no, I don't. Okay? But you have to tell me why or why not. Let's see. Do you like birds? The ones who are going to say yes, I will write like this. Yes. Capital N because I start my sentence with a capital letter. Yes. Comma comes after yes or no, okay? Just, this is for you, don't tell anyone. It's a trick, okay? It's a secret. After yes or no, you put a comma. Yes. And I look at the first word in the question. Do, so it's going to be do. Yes, I do. Okay? If yes, tell me why. Okay, some of you are saying because they are colorful. Fine, very nice answer. Yes, I do. Because I rubbed the full stop because I didn't finish my sentence yet. Because they are colorful. Full stop. Okay? The ones who are saying no, I can see you, I can hear you. Okay, capital N. And what do I put after the yes or the no? Comma. No. I look at the first word, it's do, then I will write do, But because I'm saying no, I will put after the do not. The word not should come with no. No. So I will put not. If I have no, I have to put not the other side. No, not. But if I have yes, I will write nothing. Just the n for the no goes here. No, not. Okay? Why don't you like birds? No, I do not. Because, tell me why not? Yes, some of you are saying noisy. Okay, because they are noisy. Now, if you're going to write this sentence, you write it alone. You cannot say yes and no together. If you say no, you cannot say yes. If you say yes, you cannot say no. It's either yes or no, okay? It's very easy, and we did it together. This was the classwork. According to the homework, this is the homework. The title is The Lion. The homework is about the animal that's called a lion. Okay, it's very easy. You have a story, short story, 4 questions or 4 lines, put right or wrong, and 2 sentences just to complete. Try to do them, please, Junior 1. And if you have any problem, just please ask. Thank you.